Hello beautiful souls, do you ever find yourself weighed down by regrets? Do you look back and wish you had made different choices, that you had used your time more wisely, or felt wasted? Do those wasted years feel like a burden, a set of missed opportunities you can never get back? Time waits for none. One moment it's today, and then suddenly weeks have turned into months, and months have stretched into years. When we pause to look back, we often find ourselves asking, what did I do to all my days and years? Where did my dreams and plans go? It's like we blink and so much has passed us by, leaving us with a feeling of regret for the chances we didn't take and the journeys we never took. But there is hope and restoration for those who seek it. The universe, or your God, is restoring all the wasted years. So how do we know when the universe is guiding us toward restoration and new beginnings? Here are 7 powerful signs. 1. Your deepest wounds begin to mend even when it feels like your best years have been stolen away by pain or regret. The universe holds a quiet promise of healing the deepest wounds. Those that have carved themselves into your very being will slowly begin to mend. It won't be a sudden transformation, but a series of subtle shifts. The constant sharp ache of the past softens, evolving into a dull throb that no longer consumes your every thought. Days might pass where the wound doesn't dominate your mind, offering brief respites of peace as you heal. Tiny glimmers of hope emerge. A stranger's unexpected kindness melts away a bit of your cynicism. A long-forgotten hobby reignites a spark of joy within you. These moments, seemingly ordinary, are the universe whispering that beauty and possibilities still exist in your world. They're a gentle reminder that light can pierce through even the densest of shadows. The scars of the past will linger, a testament to the battles you fought and the strength you've gained, but their hold on you begins to loosen the once overwhelming power they had to define your present and shape your future diminishes. You discover a resilience you never knew you possessed, forged in the fires of hardship. A profound sense of inner peace begins to grow, a quiet confidence that you have weathered the worst of the storm. 2. Blessings in disguise. Another clear sign that the universe is getting ready to make up for the time you thought was wasted is when you start experiencing abundance and receiving surprises that you hadn't anticipated. When you begin to see financial success in your life, it's important to see these good fortunes as signs of the universe's kindness. However, the universe's way of making things right again isn't limited just to money. It spreads its kindness across every part of your life. Think about the idea of receiving surprises that you never saw coming. This is a big part of what this sign is all about. Picture a situation where good things start happening to you out of the blue. This might sometimes mean getting unexpected financial gains, but more often it's about blessings that are much more valuable than money. People you don't know well might do something nice for you. Friends might offer help for no clear reason, and new chances might pop up from places you'd least expect. This wonderful mix of surprises is proof that the universe wants to give back everything you feel you have lost. This isn't just about getting more money or things, it's a broader, more profound kind of generosity. It's the universe showing you that it hasn't forgotten about you, ready to bless you in ways you hadn't imagined, covering all areas of your life. This abundance and these unexpected gifts are the universe's way of telling you that it's time for restoration and healing, extending far beyond the material, touching every aspect of your existence with its generous hand. 3. You see the world and yourself with softer eyes. When you feel a strong pull to be kind and caring to people around you, it's a signal that the universe is making up for the time you feel you've lost. This deep wish to help isn't just because you feel you should, it becomes a natural part of who you are, pushing you to do good in the world. Facing tough times teaches you compassion, making you want to support those who are struggling. It doesn't matter how much you have, there's this sense that a greater kindness from the universe has sparked something inside you, leading you to share and give selflessly. This change goes beyond just doing nice things, it's about a deep change in who you are. Your heart starts to act as a channel for a kind of divine love, offering not just things that can be touched or held, but actions that truly make a difference in your community and for the people around you. This urge to live compassionately shows that something significant is happening in your life, with a power that's invisible guiding you. This isn't just about small kind acts, it represents a major shift in your character, indicating that your journey is being shaped by something much bigger than what you can see. For the fire within you burns brighter than ever, one key indicator that the universe is on your side, helping you reclaim the time you thought was wasted, as a noticeable increase in your inner strength and resilience when facing life's many challenges. Alice, you find yourself equipped with a newfound courage that enables you to face and overcome difficulties. It's as if the universe itself is giving you the strength needed to endure tough times, acknowledging your path towards recovery and growth. Often this journey of restoration includes rediscovering your life's true purpose. There might have been moments when, due to various reasons, you lost track of what you're truly meant to do, but the universe, with its wisdom, gently nudges you back towards that inner flame, helping you to find or reignite your true calling. This clear sense of purpose, combined with your strength and resolve, is a powerful testament to the universe's active role in mending your life. It shows that the universe is not only fixing what was broken, but is also making you stronger and more focused than ever before. This process signifies that the universe is not just about patching up past wounds, it's about enhancing your capability to stand tall in the face of adversity. The universe is empowering you to overcome challenges with greater determination and resilience by strengthening your inner strength and clarifying your purpose. 5. The storms in your soul begin to quiet in the midst of turmoil and difficulties. Finding a sense of peace that fills your days is a clear sign that the universe is at work, making up for the time you thought you had lost. This peace within you is a precious gift, symbolizing the very heart of what it means to be restored. The universe, with its infinite wisdom, doesn't just clear away the obstacles in your life. Instead, it grants you the strength and peace to move through these challenges with grace and resilience. This tranquility doesn't depend on what's happening around you, it comes from a deep place within. It gives you a strong feeling of confidence that no matter what problems you face, things will turn out for the best in the end. These experiences are the universe's way of showing its commitment to not only recover what was lost, but also to bring back your inner balance as you navigate the unpredictable journey of life. This inner peace acts as a beacon, comforting you with the knowledge that the universe is carefully piecing your fate back together one step at a time. It's a reminder that through the ups and downs, the universe is aligning everything in your favor, helping you to not just endure but thrive with a peaceful heart and a clear mind. 6. Your path suddenly feels illuminated when your desires and decisions start to naturally align with what the universe has in store for you. It's a strong sign that the universe is making up for the time you thought was lost. This isn't about small changes, it's a deep and meaningful shift in what you want out of life, guiding you towards choices that match the universe's greater plan. This realignment brings with it a profound sense of happiness and completeness, as if you found the last piece of a puzzle that makes everything in your life fit together perfectly. This joy comes from knowing that your life is unfolding exactly as it's meant to, according to a plan much larger than yourself. This process of aligning your will with the universe's intentions marks an essential phase in your journey of renewal. renewal. It shows that higher powers are steering your life back on track more than just bringing your external circumstances into order. This alignment is about a deeper spiritual transformation. It's about your core being resonating with the broader divine purpose. Finding this alignment brings a deep inner peace too. There's comfort in understanding that your choices and actions are in sync with the universe's grand design. This connection to the universe's plan is not just about fixing what was lost materially. It's a spiritual awakening, a realignment of your very soul with the divine flow. Feeling this harmony and purpose in your life is a clear signal that the universe is actively involved in your restoration. 7. The unseen world calls to you and you answer. Feeling a growing desire for a deeper spiritual connection is a clear indication that the universe is working to restore you. This isn't just about wanting to know more, it's a deep unquenchable thirst for understanding and experiencing the divine that stirs within you, pushing you towards a journey of significant change. What used to be simple acts of prayer evolve into powerful moments of connection, opening your eyes to the universe's constant presence in your life. This spiritual awakening goes beyond any specific religion or set of beliefs. It's about recognizing how everything in life is connected and having a deep respect for the universe's mysteries. This part of the universe's restoration work in your life isn't just about fixing what's visible and material, it's about a deep spiritual renewal that lifts your awareness to new heights. As you explore sacred texts and engage in spiritual practices, you gain a richer understanding of the purpose of life. This journey towards spiritual enlightenment is a sign that the universe is deeply involved in your personal transformation, guiding you towards a life filled with deep meaning and purpose. You know those moments when something just clicks and makes you feel a little lighter and inspired. That's what I'm hoping this message does for you today. If it does, spread the love, like and comment. As always, wishing you a beautiful day. May God bless you. Thanks for watching.